Welcome to Electric Scooter Countryside Adventure in Hoi An.
Hi Brenda, how you feel about the tour today?
We had a great tour today. Right from the beginning, we felt really safe. We were able to test our scooter skills, and then we trotted on our way, and it was great to see all the different sites and see all the local places that we would have never got to see before. And I really enjoyed having someone at the front and someone at the back, so it always felt really secure and safe.
My favourite trip was we go off-road and you go places you don't think you're going to go with the scooter, so that was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
And seeing the water and all the different sites and the pagodas and the rice paddies and the farmers preparing the land. It was just so beautiful.
Excellent tour. Yep.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.